Pentecostal Network Pennet Clear to te helpai swaming in Zibai Ule, Tungkar Chunga UPC Northeast India Kohhran rawngbawlna chanchin thar clear in Lunglei thang u. November ni thum pathiani hi UPC Northeast India Kohhran ni poimo Orphanage Sunday ni a India mar chakpum hwa pa man ani ang. November pathiani masaber hi kumtin Orphanage Sunday ta na man chin ani a Heminia tholom lakhom de hi Kohhran and kol fasha chom na in Odrin Sesam Children Home kolasi pwal ani ang. Tin Heminia chair chwatur Orphanage Sunday thu cha poi twal chung Kohhran tina thon chwa vek ani bok. Odrin Sesam Children Home hi kumsang khazakwa somria panga December ni somthum khan Executive Board tuan din ni se ti apasin kumsang khazakwa somkwa panhi January ni sompanga khan khwang puilam kolasi pa din ani a Reverend Stanley Siziman Building Sakbulchan na turlung phum aphum ani UPC Northeast India Kohhran rawngbawlna sang Executive Board tuan home no pangten olsam le thazo ka zirna kong anzo theinan ti in kumsang ni panhi me ni khan home complex chunga school din ani a aminga tan Susane Downs boarding school ti ani Tichuan home le school hi project khata chun finin compassion center project ti ani a tuna hian Reverend JH Zahlunacham project director mo phurna chelin ahuna hian a omchil ani hetianga malak chhautak ani awang hian Kohhran rawngbawlna sang Executive Board April ni somparuk sang ni palia nei chuan November pathiani masabera Orphanage Sunday man thin ni seti in arwa mana kumtin man thin anita ani Kumin Orphanage Sunday hian ASC home thoktu le no pangti chuan home chapela anma ni pawala program siamin hun an mangdon ani Tundin huna Odrin Sesam Children Home hian mipa som ni meichia som ni pathum anwain no pangsom li pathum anomeka Home Superintendent Evangelist C Vanelratan Waya thoktu som pathum anomekani Susane Downs Boarding School SDBS Principal Evangelist Aizawl na engkolna Waya hian zirtir tu le staff dang som ni pakhat omin zirlai no pangjanga somruk pani vel anomek bok ani October ni somni palini nga ni khan tura Meghalaya General Sunday School Board nei ani General Sunday School Board hi General Director Reverend R Laiching Puina Kai Shwaya General Kohhran Puyatringin General Superintendent Reverend Lalmal Somasai Lole General Secretary Reverend R Larin Sangaten an Hobok Anthurel Tlang Puite General Sunday School Executive Committee in exam dan thazok te zonga question set le atul angamo phurna laturin examination board din ni se ati chu General Board hian I approve Zirlai buziak tu te honorarium pek thin chu ti san ani Assam Field in Primary kumhni na translate nan cheng sang red le publish nan cheng singhi sang sare andil na chungcha ngai to ani a ale lintir na cheng sang red chu pek phot ni se endika abu chwadan tur chu hotu ten kong lo dap mai se ti ani Calvary Bible College pawala budget cheng singli nei ve to tura Theological Education Board na angen na anga pass ani a kumsang ni somni budget a khunghal turati ani kumsang ni somni budget tura rahman na clear hovin siam remngai te siam filin cheng noi somthum pariat rahman ani a hi Executive Board a pompui tura thlen ani ang General Shwai to the program General Superintendent Reverend Lalmal Somasai lo chuan Kolkata Missions Field Conference October ni somthum le ni somthum pakhat chunga nei chuman puin rawngbawlna aneya October ni somthum pakhat ninga ni khan Reverend TF Teni Memorial Bible School Property Dedication Program a hun amangbok November ni hi inrinia Aizawl alet le ang General Treasurer Reverend Zongming Thanzama chuan November ni khata tongani thum chunga sia habial in council venga rawngbawlna tupal seminar an bwasaya resource person a tingin rawngbawlna anei District Shang rawngbawlna chanchin ngai thak chunjomila Lunglei District October ni somni pangar tangani somni pasari chungkham bum hun bial te chuan tleo local revival in khompui hlim takin an mang he in khompui a hian speaker chan omlovin bial chung rawngbawlna tu ten hun anin man choka revival lo thlengzela October ni somni paria thochan ni khan pulal thapuya sai lo le pulal mangai zwala sai lo tleo local te chuan cheng sanga ve thoin mechanim ngai ten thobelin pathian choimoina nei chunjom ani a hlim taka hun man ani he in khompuya hian bial chunga tingin khompui palai thanem tak an kal ani October ni somthum pakhat zana tangkhan bungmun local missions department te bwa sain crusade nei tan ani a speaker atam Aizawl bel du pastor R Lalram hluna chuman ani a crusade hi November ni thum pathiani zan thleng man ani ang October ni somhe paruk inri ni nileng khan pukpui filda pukpui BLPYD te chuan BL sports hlim takin annei Sport hi chumadar som pakhata function tanin sport committee chairman Unaupa R Larim Sangan hun akashwaya Beldu pastor Reverend PC Ngaglianan hun sermangin BLPYD president Rongbol 2P Samson Vanel Film Sports honna anaya sport committee secretary Unaupa R Vanel Nundangan os taking ane nuwa infiam natan ane Sport ahian major games items pasari le individual games item baruk mangin inti hlim na hinei ani a apumpuya college weng local chu pakhat na anni October ni somni pasari pathiani chanu Aizawl pui local district thiang hlimna committee te chuan seminar an bwa saya resource person atan district thiang hlimna committee treasurer Unau Nularam Lomi Sailo Bible woman le evangelist MS Donglian namte te man anni seminar thupuya hian zugle Muhammad thiang hlimna corruption laka thiang hlimna Meichia mi patla laka thiang hlimna le information and technology a thiang hlimna te zir hau ani November ni thum pathiani hian then hlum local district thiang hlimna committee malangna in campaign nei ani dona campaign hi district secretary Reverend PC Lalfakawma le Rongbol 2 P Samson Vanel Filaten anneyang October ni somhi panga atangani somhi pasari chungkhan Zolpui BLPYD le LAD joint conference chu Zolpui lokala nei ani a speaker atan Hawlong bel du pastor Reverend R Lalsang Zwala chuman ni in thupuyatan idin thar le ang uti chuman ani a anro re langsar zwalte kumsang ni somhi joint conference chu November ni rukatangani ria chungin nei ni se speaker atan bel du pastor chati ani a thupuyatan chanchin thra hi shir ro uti chuman ni se chati ani Tim pastor quarters a carpet phani se anti baka Bible ral chan bot sa ini se anti bok PYD te chuan putlunga si home missionary quarters a khumda ni se anti a bel chungatingin Bible school PBS CBC atam theang berkal turam halak le akal te sen soutle mazong tumsak ni se anti baka bel pon fe chwate an relani LAD tem putlunga si home missionary quarters a ceiling fan da ni se anti a kumsom rukchin chunglam conference kalte choi moi chin ni se anti baka pastor quarters a dekchi le parda zar tur le ni se anti bok October ni somni pasari pathiani khan Hawlong BLPYD le LAD shwai tu te chu chengpui missions felda Rongbolin hun an mang BLPYD le LAD shwai tu te hi anwai member sompali an kal theya him takin hun an mang ani October ni somni paruk inri ni khan kumtina anlo ti thin angin headquarters local de chuan Rongbol tu ni conference hall a an mang he Rongbol tu ni hi first session le second session a thlen ani a first session hi local chairman evangelist Thasia Masai loina kaishwaya Reverend R Larosang a chuan iswa local le na ti thupui mangin zirtirna ape a second session hi local vice chairman Upaje H Pachunga chuan kaishwain UPC te khovel ti thupui mangin district superintendent Reverend C Vanel ena chuan kaushan chanchin le Rongbawlna te projector mangin entira Rongbol tu te omdan tur ti shang soi hauna nei ani bok he Rongbol tu ni a hian Rongbol tu le annupui te baka department OB te telin hlok takin hun an mang ani October ni somhi basari pathiani khan headquarters local PYD te chuan conference hall a positive attitude ti thupuya mangin thuzirna anneya resource person atan tlangwal ti larin wana supervisor kam warden hatim chuman ani he hun hi Unaupa R lalom ki machuana kaishwaya resource person tlangwal ti larin wana hne trogin positive attitude poimo na le anei theidan tur shang zir hau ani a member somthum panga ankal khom ani October ni somni panga atangani somni pasari chungkhan chongte BLPYD le LAD joint conference chu Lungrang South lokala nei ani a speaker atan luangmol bel tu pastor Reverend Lalbiak dikacho te chuman ani conference chu puya hian thuthung kharon poisa angcheti chuman ani a anro rel tlang puite LAD ro rel kumsang ni somni atan ASC home cheng sang thuma tan puile ni se conference palai kum somsari chin loman siam le ni se Zetet Missions Field Chan Puinan Cheng Sanga Ro Man ni in Bial Hopa Bible Ral Chan Siam le ni se anti baka Chongte Area Welfare Lunglei le Aizawl Cheng Sang Khat Beve Chan Pui ni se Kumsang ni som hia Bial Pon Fe Chwa Lungsen North a nei ni se anti bok PYD Ro Rel Tang Puite Bial Hopin Revival Crusade nei ni se Amhunatan Apar Lungrang Anwata Speaker atan Evangelist F Lelsang Lura Ro ni se Chongte Welfare Lunglei Chan Pui na pek ve ni se anti baka Bial chung PYD din lo na lokala PYD din turang malak ni se anti bok October ni somni panga atang ni somni pasari chungkhan Theiret Bial Missions Conference to Shangchal Konbek ina nei ani a Speaker atan Bial to Pastor Reverend Kelal Chwansang a chuman ni in thupuya tan chanchin thra hishir ro uti chuman ani October ni somni paruk inrin ni a ro rela ni a Anro Rel Langsar Zwazinga Ralvong Local Le Saire Preaching Point at Te Crusade nei ni se anti baka kumsang ni somhi Bial Missions Conference to October Pathianin hunung berni se amhunatan don local ni se anti baka district athentur thupoi mo tak tak an ngai to abok October ni somhi pangatang ni somhi pasari chungkhan cher hun Bial le thingsai Bial te chuan South Chong tui lokala join revival him takin an mang Hehuna hiam palai za chuang kalin revival hun him om takman ani a Pastor H lalom sang a thingsai Bial to Pastor le Pastor K lanumpuya cher hun Bial to Pastor te speaker a man ani October ni somni paria thotan ni khan South Chong tui local te chuan he join revival manga kalte hi chelin roi the ani a tharau lam hlanen him takin hun man chhun zom ani he join revival mang turakal una pa zaudin puya new her chip local bike accident awanga nunna chanta polin bomb hu na ni a heta hian cheng sanga zanga chong mu ani bok November ni inwin ni hiam Pentecostal Children Department ra siveng Bial de chuan Hawrong lokala Bial chunga PCD zirtir tu te polin seminar an bwa saidona resource person atan district PCD senior advisor Reverend PC Lalfakawma le district PCD secretary rongbawlna tu Silaram lo apuyate an mangang District PCD Senior Advisor Reverend PC Lalfakawma hian mode of speech in public le teaching method ti thupui mangin zirtir na apeanga District PCD Secretary rongbawlna tu Silaram lo apuya chuan thiang hlimna ti thupui mangin zirtir na apebokang November ni thum pathian ni hian luangmawal Bial Sunday School Department te chuan lunglon zaya vengbek ina rally an mangdon he rally a hian Bial chung local sang te chu recitation changwon in soi siak lengkhom zaile quiz mangten inti siak na aneyanga zanlama result ponde loman sem in khom nei ani bokang Aizawl East District chanchin ngai thaila Aizawl East District Missions Department Conference voice ni paruk nu chu October ni somni panga atangani somni pasari chungkhan thingsul thia playground na pandal saka hlim taka manzo ani Kumbina hian thu puishan pa nei lovin misang sang ten hen atangin pathian thu cha ngai thlak thin ani a inkhom puitran jan khan Reverend R Lianzama Missions Director chuan inkhom kai shwain Reverend H Dinglianan inkhom pui honna le pathian hen hlan na aneya Bial to Pastor Reverend Rawming Lianan hen atangin palai lom na thu ngai thlang ni in Evangelist H Christian le Reverend R Lalthanjwala ten hen atangin pathian thu cha ngai thlak ani Serchi Bial Trumpui Bial PYD le unaw nula remsangi ten hen atangin fakla ngai thlak ni in Pastor R Malsoman Malsom Tongtrain in khom atitop ani October ni somni paruk inrini nileng khan thingsul thia biakina Reverend R Lianzama Director kai shwain rorel in khom nei ani a heta hian Bial atang le official atang agenda lut enge mozat omin chungzinga an thu pas langsar zwalte kumsang ni somni pakhat in khom pui chu champhai Biala nga ani a ratsa angin kumsang ni somni East Lungdar Biala in khom pui nei le ani ang kumsang ni somni atanga mantan turin in khom pui thleng tu tampuina cheng nuai ni thrin chu nuai ni singa ati san ani Aizawl khonhai kholian dewa District Missions Department phalangna in crusade nei turati ni in District Board kuta da ani District Kohhran puin District Missions support cheng nuai nga ada chin tu kumsang ni somnia chuan cheng nuai nga ati punrot na omchu District Kohhran puya thlen turati ani Missions Department logo a Missions Department din kum chutkai veni se ti rot na omchu General Missions Department a thlen turati ani Conference a hiam palai mi zathum somruk pahni ten rorelin District Kohhran pui shwai tu te baka Reverend R Lalhoya General Missions Director chuan atel pui bok ani Rural income nei zo hian district board nei chunjom hal ni in heta po hian agenda lut engemaw zata oma chungzinga an thu pas thren khatte kumsang ni som hi atang chuan home missionary ti loman thlatin cheng sing khat ni to tura ti ni in missionary lockdown in advertisement chhuani se ti ani a kumsang ni som ni a home missionary pangala phot ni se ti ani hetiang hian home missionary la tur board siam ngal ani district kaushampui OB District Missions OB Baka Aizawl Khopui Chungbial Missions Director Home Missionary Lak 30 Induction Training Nei Pui To Turati Ani Aizawl Khonhai Kholian Dewa District Missions Department Halang Na In Crusade Nei Turati District Board Kuta Da Chungai To Chunjom Ni In Executive Committee in Chul Ati Angin Rahman Na Lo Siam Seti Ani District Board a hian Evangelist Lel Thuthunga Treasurer Chuan kumsang ni somni budget estimate pharin siam that ngai te siam that ani hnuah district kaushampui board pompui turin kumsang ni somni budget atan chengnuai somkwa singni sangsari zanga chu an pom ani inwini a hian rural velo tam pandala wantlang inkhom nei ani a heta hian evangelist TC kap zathangan inkhom ka shwain evangelist HK lan mangai hne tungin thu soi ngai thak ani a Solo baka unaw nu ganden pujen manigong arunachal hena tungin special item clear how anibok. Inrinizan income hi Reverend Arlian Zama District Missions Director Chuan Kashwain Evangelist Ralthan Khuma Kashwain Doctrine Soirwalani a Reverend PC Langhaglian le Reverend Darchona te hena tungin thu cha ngai thak ani. Bethel PYD Molpui Bial PYD le unaw nu vanlan mangai thar zeli te hena tungin fakla ngai thak ni in Pastor Kelan Mingmoy and Mizoram District income at the top ani. Pathiani Chuma income Evangelist Leramzava Secretary Chuan Kashwain, Reverend R. Lalhoya General Missions Director Henetring in Tuchanga Itlagani a Upper Republic Bial, Bazar Bial, Champai Bial Zai Pol de Baka, Unaw Nulal Chanpuit and Henetring in Faklanga Itlagani a Evangelist Lel Thuthunga Treasurer Kashwain, Kumsang Sompakwa budget petlak tele Kum Bial and Hena Loman Semnane ani. Choma income hi Reverend Biak Sangzola District Secretary Chuan Mizoram District at the top ani. Pathiani Chunhua Evangelist Lel Thuthunga Treasurer Chuan income Kashwain, Reverend Arlian Zama Director Hena Tungin Thucha ngai thak ani a Shwai tu te choi moina Evangelist Leramzava Kashwain nei ani baka Bethlehem Bial Bongkon Bial Zaipol baka unaw nulal moi partele unaw nulal din thari hawnar te Hena Tungin fakla ngai thak ani a Reverend Valel Philaram Tiam District Treasurer in Mizoram District income at the top ani. Pathiani Chunhu income Ahiam Puri Odisha Missions felt back in Saknatur Boiling Tholom Kon ani a heta hian cheng sing ruk chuang mu sak ani. Pathiani Zan income Reverend Arlian Zama Director in Kashwain, Reverend Rosanga Colony District Superintendent Chuan Thucha Soina aneya Tualu Palel Thansanga Colony Evangelist H. Larin Omabaka Zemabok Bialzai Pole Pentecostal choir te hena tungin fakla ngai thakani. District Missions income pu hi Reverend Arlian Zama Director Chuan Mizoram District at the top ta ani. Aizawl East District Missions income pu ya hian bia shang tungin palaikal in report zakwa somnga ani. Kumin hi Aizawl East District kumsom ni pangatin Silver Jubilee ani angin Missions Department te puin alom na hun income pu nei chung hian an manga Inrini zana changa Pathiani Chunhu income khan minute som chung District Department te pawla thu soina hun siam sakni in Inrini zan Khan District PYD President Reverend R. Laltan Kiman Soin Pathiani Chuma unaw nu F.Lal Ompui Bible Women District LAD President le Pathiani Chunhua Evangelist H.R. Larindiga District Sunday School Secretary ten lompui na thuwa an soi bok ani. Jubilee Polhan District Kaushampui baka Department shang shwai tu ten hena thilpek an pek baka Rural Titan Jubilee Thilpek and Pebok ani. October ni somni pariat thotan zan khan mol pui bial PYD te chuan ITI Kaushambiak in a missionary challenge program and buat saya General Missions Treasurer Evangelist PC la Roki Marong Bol Turin and Roy. Mol pui bial PYD Secretary unaw pa R Lalbiak Film Program ka shwaya unaw pa la remsangan tan na hun mangin bial President Tual upa R Vana Rope kan hena tungin bial PYD le Bial chunga local shang te missions lam hoya ke an pendan le an malang ni report shang ngai thak ani. General Missions Treasurer Evangelist PC la Roki man hena tong hian kalchuak ngai rongbol hilal iswa min tir dan ani thule kalchuak kherlawa omhuna tonga tir chuak ve tu nge ni atul dante General Missions Nwaya missionary te impact dan le an rongbol na report shang te ngai thak ani a kal khom ten an hlok pui hle he huna hian mol pui bel kumpuan ten slogan in zia siak loman an sema evangelist silarem rota zia chu pakhana atana thlangin slogan jak tu te hena loman an pevek bok Aizawl East District PYD Kumpuan Committee in short film competition Aizawl East District PYD Kumpuan Committee in short film competition buat saya mol pui bial PYD ten loman pathum na anlak chu short film organizing secretary una palaring hetan bial PYD president twal upa bana rope kan hena ahlana film boy pui dan report chang pe in boy pui tu ten hena lom thu asoibok program man chungin unaw nu bana zamile unaw nu zau than sangi ten zai rawngbawlna nein hlim takin hun an mang ani serchi begin pui ko shanaloi unaw nu vilarem roti te chung kwa chuan November ni li thotan ni hiam pathian choi moina an nei dona speaker abel tu pastor bilal engzawa an mangang November ni khazir topjan khan Aizawl East District PYD bo sahin District PYD Noya Sub Committee pengshang shang te chuan joint meeting an nei Hehuni District Committee room man ni in Reverend R Lalfakawma President Chuana Kaishwaya Hehuna Hen Sub Committee Shwai tu tele District PYD OBT telin Sub Committee ten ma an lak to na le an machop an nei te soi hovin lok takin hun an mang ani hetiang hun hi kumdanga po man alawni to thin ani November ni khazir topjan khan serchi bial PYD kumpuan Sub Committee te buat sain serchi PNEI me hola kumpuan pol hun hlotling taka man ani Hewuni tualu paring hing lova sailo bial PYD kumpuan chairman Chuan Kaishwayin pastor Bilal engzawa bial tu pastor in hun ser amanga serchi bial PYD ten kumpuan pol hun an mana hian Intodel ti thupui manga essay in zia siak an buat sai result puan na hun an man ba ka Intodel ti thupui mang thovin drama in ti siak na hemizan hian an buat sai boka he huna hian bial chung tengin PYD member an kal thle ani serchi bial PYD kumpuan Sub Committee te hian bial chunga campaign in hun an lo mang to bok ani district shwai to the program Reverend Rosang Colony District Superintendent John November ni hi inri ni hian ke fang bek in honna aneya pathiani thleng hun amangang Reverend Byak Sangzola District Secretary le Reverend Balel Felaram Tem District Treasurer de John Pathiani han District Headquarters Kaushana hun an mangang North Mizoram District Rawngbawlna ngai thavele ila North Mizoram District Missions Department Conference voisom thumpakwana October ni somni panga atangani somni pariat chungkan headquarters back in tui khwatlanga hlim taka man ani District Missions Conference hi October ni somni panga zir topjana tanin Reverend Sila Thantwanga District Missions Director ina Kaishwaya Reverend Kelal Dusanga North Mizoram District Kaushampui Treasurer chuan conference a honga conference a hian thupui chanchin thra hi shir ro uti mangin thupui hi then nga a then le in hengmi te hiam pathian thucha ansoi ani Pastor SR Lalfakawma Field Treasurer Arunachal Missions Field thupui engtin nge kan shilang Reverend Kemal Somtuanga Director Sunday School Department thupui tutinge shilang Reverend Laltuanga Superintendent North Mizoram District thupui tuhne nange kan shilang Evangelist RK Vanalngaya Secretary District Missions Department thupui thilpekin Reverend Sila Thantwanga Director District Missions Department thupui chanchin thra hi shiro u Conference ne chung hian District Missions Shwai tu Pathum Reverend Sila Thantwanga Missions Director Evangelist RK Balangaya Missions Secretary le Evangelist MS Zongliana Missions Treasurer ten an kai shwai ani October ni somni paruk inri ni chuma dar somle achanbe a tanin conference rorel nei ani a chumalama secretary report le financial report baka missionary report tengai thak ani report atanga alandanin hetiang North Mizoram District Missions Department din mun ani North Mizoram District Missions Department hian home missions field som nein chungte chu bajirung damdiai Aizawl Kolalian Marpara Persang Rasdali Wongonzo West Phulpui le Zamwan tlangte ani a field hi missionary somin enkolin chungte chu unanu Esther le Rawngbawlna Bible woman Evangelist Lalrampana Evangelist H Lalnunzira unanu Kholiani Bible woman Evangelist Vanal Oya Isakla Rawhlua Evangelist Shangchan Khuma Evangelist RS Lalnunmoya unanu Lalbyak Zwale le unanu F Lalsiam liani te anni Hengfield baka hian Missions Department and Lunglei tumpang lui khwale tuipui bari center ombuka heng field ta hian casual worker unaw nu lel chiat kimi evangelist lel thiang himale upaler wat sangaten an enkol mek bok conference chung hian field atanga item nei dur khoni Wongonzo missions felt le Razali missions felt te somni in missions felt pani te hian zaile lam hu nom tak tak an entira mi puiri ru a hle ani in rini chonua conference rorel nein an rorel tlang puite conference nei na hmutu in dot hetiang hian past ani kumsang hi somhia kolasib diakon kumsang hi somhi pakata rengdil bial kumsang hi somhi pania mawbok bial le kumsang hi somni pathuma sumsui bialte ani field thar pani tumpang lui missions field le south simlong missions field honni seti chu pass ani North Mizoram District Hwapin Missionary Convention nei ni se Missionary Challenge nei ni se Missionary te first aid training board tour district kaushan puya thenti te rel ani conference nei chung hian tharau borok athwa in kaushan ho te zinga siam tharna changmi thonhem tak an oma missions rongbawlna konga kaushan ti a hlongna tam tak a ombe se ani Conference chung hian General Missions Director IO in General Missions Treasurer Evangelist PC la Rokiman Conference a hautuan theya General Superintendent Reverend Lalmel Somasai Lole General Treasurer Reverend Zomping Thanzamaten an hauthei baka District Kaushan Pui Shwai tu Pathum Reverend Laltuanga District Superintendent Reverend Charpuya District Secretary le Reverend Kelal Dusanga District Treasurer ten Conference an man pui bok District Missions Conference Triak Tuk October ni somni pariat thorchan ni khan District Missions Board le ngal ni in General Missions Director Reverend R Lalhoyan Rorel hautheya District Kaushan Pui Shwai tu Reverend Laltuang le Reverend Charpuyeten an haubok District Missions Board he District Missions Director Reverend Silal Thantuangan Kai Shwayin Conference Rorel Bozui Ngai Missionary Convention Missionary Challenge le Missionary First Aid Training tumchang an ngai tu a District Shwai tu tele khopui chungbel Director ten tu le poimo chalo boy pui se anti ani District Hwam chungbel Director ten General Missions Field fan le ni seti chu pastin District Missions Executive le General Missions Shwai tu te imbironin ahun le muntura ro man lo siam se anti Missionary hlotu na man lai chu ennonin ti san rel ani a bozui ngai te District Shwai tu te kuta da ani October ni somni pakwa thole ni khan chonmunbial pastor quarters thar chu luwa lu ani chonmunbial pastor quarters he karkalta October ni somni panga ni lai ni khan District Superintendent Reverend Laltuanga na honga honna inkhoma hian Aizawl khuchunga pastor bial wong tu te po ankal thale ani chonmunbial hi kumsa khazukwa somkwa pania honni in tuna hian kumsom sari panin a upa ani ve mekani Chonmunbial Pastor Quarters District in LA Thom Chatnan hian Bial Chung Department Changshang Missions Department LAD PYD le Sunday School Department in Sumle Pai an tho khombok Chamari West ten tharau lama in twai tharna atan tongtrai bethel nei arel angin a tho khan atan Church Board Member 10 October ni somthum nilai ni khan sakor tui chhun huna camping center a tongtrai bethel nei ani a limtakin hun an mang Zing lamdar som bakhada camping center bek ina hun bulchanin Kaushan Chairman Evangelist Silaram Thangan Pathian thu chiarna ane izo nu in Bel to Pastor Reverend Silaram Thanga chu hun honna nei turin soma Bel to Pastor hne na tong hiam Pathian thu ngai thang ni in tong traina ane hala tharaulam hlatinen hun man ani Tin Bel to Pastor hian Church Board Member tin te syak noi rongbawlna ane zoya chu Mizoram member ten Pastor lu chunga kut ngatin tong trai sakna nei zui hal ani bok Bek ina hian bethel nei zwing hal ni in anhulama camping center wana ma ni rem chandanin tongtrai na nei chunjom ani a hun toblama bek ina lut khom le in tongtrai rwal na nei le ani a hemizo hian bel du pastor in tongtrai na in hun akhar ani Christmas ma hun rem changa hian a tho ni na atan rongbol ti chin le adu apyang tan tongtrai bethel nei le turin ro man na an siam bok North Mizoram District Shwai tu the program District Superintendent Reverend Laltuanga chuan November ni thum pathiani hian dampareng puibel tuiruma rongbawlna nein a fe chuak tuiruma hian kaushana member thar senglo program mangdon ani District Treasurer Reverend Kelal Dusanga chuan October ni somni pariat thochan ni khan mamit muna kaushan hun loram en kolle boipui ngai te amuna thli thlain a fe chuak Ole khati zong khatun tumata na UPC North East India kaushan rongbawlna chanchin thar kan thlir le ngai thak haule theite ni e